So I got this set of humbucking pickups for $23, including shipping. This was listed on Amazon. They are LYWS pickups. They actually look really nice. They've got silver backs, and I think the bobbins are plastic, but they look pretty well made so far. I'm going to be trying those in my Project Flying V. This thing. But today I thought I'd take some close-ups of these before I install them in this Project V, so you can see what a $23 set of humbuckers looks like. So these are the LYWS pickups that I got for roughly 20 bucks on Amazon. Let's take a look at these. They came in just plain packaging, this foam wrap and then bubble wrap. But they are marked on the bottom of the pickup. B for bridge. And N for neck. They actually look pretty nice for 20 bucks. They're supposed to be Alnico 5 magnets, and even came with the rest of the hardware to mount these. Let's look at this. This is the wire. It's 4 conductor wire. Pretty good gauge. The base plate on this is supposed to be copper and nickel. Let's look a little closer at this thing. So that's the neck pickup. Sometimes on these inexpensive pickup you'll find that the holes are, not punched through properly. These look okay. I think these will probably work. Got a little protective plastic wrap on the top of the pickups. Go ahead and get rid of that on both of these. We don't need that. So these are going to go into the Flying V that I made the video about, my Project V, which from my research it looks like it was a Magnum brand Flying V copy. So there we go. There's the bridge pickup. So these might be pretty cool pickups. The bridge pickup is supposed to be 15K and the neck pickup 8.5K, which seems not well matched to me, but for $20 I'll try them in the Flying V copy. Neck pickup, extreme close up. Ooh, oh wait, the camera won't focus. Just trying to get all this in the light so you can see these from every angle. What a $20 set of humbuckers looks like. They look pretty good, really. I'm not unhappy with these for $20. I mean, I'm kind of poor lately, like I know a lot of people are. And I really wanted to get this Project Flying V going, so I got these since they're so inexpensive. And maybe they'll sound pretty good too. I mean, they don't look half bad. But the proof is in the pudding, and that's going to be what the tone of these sounds like through some of my amps. So I guess we'll see here in the near future. So don't worry, here pretty soon I'm going to do a video where I install these $23 humbuckers in this Project Flying V, and then we'll see what they sound like at that point. So make sure you click like on this video and click subscribe to the Twin Creek Audio YouTube channel so you don't miss what the outcome of these $23 humbuckers is like. Make sure to check out all the links in the description for ways to support this channel, and in addition, check out my other channel, Adventures in Barbecue, where I go find good barbecue to eat and explore some interesting places in East Texas and other areas. So don't forget to check that out. And I hope that you all have an excellent day, night, evening, weekend, weekday, hour, minute, second, nanosecond, whatever it is you're having. Have a good one, and thanks so much for watching.